Hello. A lot of folks ask me about butcher dies for my guillotine tool. The tool comes with fuller and flat die sets, which I find most useful for my own work, but I'll make a set of butcher dies and see how they fare. I'm cutting at about a 45-degree angle and leaving the ends with very narrow flats and not cutting edges. I want the dies to easily move material and create a clean shoulder, but not cut into the stock I'm working. Many folks overheat right before quenching. For carbon steels, I found a dull red color, like the color of the setting sun low in the sky, is best. Here I'm looking for a purplish blue tint before completely cooling, tempering the dye. If this was to eventually be a tenon, I would have normally used my flat dies. But these butcher dies are much quicker at moving hot steel and leave a crisper shoulder. So there you have it. Pretty simple, but effective. Catch you guys next time.